How you doing? Welcome to Cooking While Drunk. Sipping on a little beer here. We're making beef stew. And this is going to be a short video. So right now I am browning up the meat. I'm going to do it in batches. When we come back, we're going to have a sip and we're going to get the veggies done. After the beef is all browned, saute the vegetables, the onion, celery, and carrots for a couple of minutes. Once they start releasing their flavor, throw in the garlic, and little by little add in some of the chicken stock. This is about 2 cups of chicken stock. I'm doing a little bit at a time, and as it simmers, I am scraping up the bottom to release all that fond. This will take a couple of minutes. Once all that fond is released from the bottom, throw in the rest of the chicken stock with some Italian seasoning. I'm actually just using thyme, marjoram, and some oregano, and some Worcestershire sauce. I'm using lean parents, about 1.5 tablespoons. Alright, see you in a bit. Once all the stock is up to a simmer, throw in a couple bay leaves, 3 bay leaves, and all of the beef and juice. Give it a stir. You're going to turn it down to a simmer, cover, and let it simmer for about an hour. Alright, welcome back. Potatoes been simmering for about 15 minutes. Now we're going to add in the corn. And the corn just basic. This is frozen corn because fresh corn's not in season right now. So we are going to just stir this. You can actually kill the heat now too because it's already piping hot and it will heat up the corn. Alright, so kill the heat and then time to plate up. Alright, there we go. Stew. Time frame about 2, with prep time and browning and all that, probably about 2 hours because I take my time and I watch videos while I'm doing it. Toppings, I just like to put a little sprig of the celery leaves, a little bit of some Fresno chilies, and I've got my tomatillo habanero salsa here to dip in as well. And there we go.
Bless you, baby. Oh my gosh. Okay.
After, it is chuck. And so chuck does have, it gets takes a little while for it to cook down. So when you braise chuck, it just gets nice and soft, and just see how easy it just comes right apart. But that's it. 1 pot, that's all you really need. I did use my oval Dutch oven, came up ceramic coated Dutch oven. Really delicious. This will make enough for 4 people, which means it'll make me 2 meals by myself. Alright, cheers. Thanks for watching. You guys have a wonderful evening. Have a good night. Don't forget to like and subscribe.